Mr. Benitez, you had an unbelievable day yesterday. Walk us through what happened.
Yesterday, we had a jury trial in Tippecanoe County. My client was accused of possessing a firearm without a license, and we did a trial, and the jury came back not guilty on count one, possession of a firearm.
Now, possession of a firearm, it was a misdemeanor, and that's serious crime. And obviously, we know why people want to fight when they've been charged with crimes. But this particular individual, why was it so important for him to beat this charge?
So he had deferred action, DACA, as many people know it as. And if you have DACA, you cannot plead guilty or be found guilty of significant misdemeanors.
The significant misdemeanor, that's not something that's not a term of art that's common in Indiana law. That's a federal issue, correct?
Yeah, immigration issue, yeah.
And so if you have a significant misdemeanor conviction, you are not eligible for deferred status, the DACA, or Dreamer as they call it. So Mr. Benitez, what is considered a significant misdemeanor?
They have a long list of things, but carrying a handgun without a license is one of those.
And so even though it's a misdemeanor, even though the prosecutor may have been offering probation only, if he would have pled guilty to carrying a handgun without a license, or if the jury would have found him guilty, what would have happened?
He would not have been able to have or to keep his DACA, so he would have been probably deported.
This is just huge for him, am I correct?
Yes.
Now, without getting too detailed, without naming names, walk us through some of the facts of this handgun.
Yeah, so the facts of this case was my client was driving his vehicle with a passenger in the vehicle, and he was driving his vehicle, and then he gets pulled over. He sees the lights of a cop. He gets pulled over, and then he's about to exit and park when the passenger starts freaking out, grabs a gun from himself, opens the glove box, puts it in the glove box, closes it, and they arrest my client for possession of a firearm, even though it wasn't his.
When this individual called the office, I remember talking to Mr. Benitez about this, and we told him straight up, this is going to be a difficult case. You're driving the car. The gun is in your car. You can blame whoever you want, but sometimes the facts can go bad. And they'll be very upfront with him. And Mr. Benitez said, hey, but no matter what, I will do everything I can to fight this and come out ahead for you. And I remember that conversation vividly. And you delivered, man. I'm so proud of you. You have no idea, dude.
Yeah.
Somebody gets to continue to stay in this country. And I don't want anyone watching this to know, state of Indiana, we explained what was going on to them. And they said, no, we're not going to give them a pass on this. No. You either go to trial or you plead guilty. Mr. Benitez said, okay, well, see you at trial. And jury came back not guilty. That's absolutely amazing. And this is life-changing for this individual. Dude, I'm so proud of you. If anybody has any questions about DACA, criminal charges in general, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.